Test, test, test. Let me know how we sounding. Let me know how we sounding. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on, Wilner? I see you up in here. Sounding good. Perfect, perfect. We got a couple setups we're looking at right now. As far as news today, we got news at 8:30. That's about it. Can we go live with the members and students during that as well? Members, forgot to upload and send it to y'all, so I'm gonna send that to y'all after the live, the recording of yesterday's live. So make sure you be on the lookout for that. Those that join the stream, we have not entered this trade yet. This is just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description and join the free signal free Telegram. Y'all see on your screen how we did last month or last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link. Check it out for yourselves. If you was on the live stream yesterday, a lot of charts ended up going as projected. NAS ended up flying, like we was talking about. So those that was paying attention to NAS, y'all should have been able to eat off of this. What else? Well, kind of this move. It was kind of late in the day, but eventually Gibble was talking about it as well. And G ended up retracing. Looking at possible GJ buys right now. They're going to be looking to see if GJ can hold and respect 192 as support. If we can hold 192 as support, we're going to be looking for buys going to 192.70. We're looking for the same setup that played out yesterday or yesterday night, Tokyo session Wednesday. You already know the drill. Make sure to go ahead and like the live and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers. We can get to that easily. If you guys got any questions, drop in the chat. We're looking at questions, drop in the chat. We got a new 15 about to pop up in a little bit. Just dropped a new video for y'all yesterday, y'all. Make sure to check that out if you have not already. Got a new video dropping for y'all later on today as well during New York session. All right, we're breaking this level, so we're going to see how this candlestick closes and see if we can hold this level as support right here. What's going on? Shout out to the UK. Shout out to the UK. What's going on, Nicole? I see up in here. New 15 just popped up. Is it a buy if we close above the level? Like I said, y'all, if we can hold 192.05 as support, we're going to be looking for buys going to 192.70. That's what we're waiting for right now. All right, I did a nice move. Tokyo session Wednesday. But as we can see, after the retracement, failed to hold that support, failed to break and hold it time and time again. So we're waiting to see if we can hold this level as support. Those just joining the stream, we have not entered this trade yet. This is the trade idea. Be sure to go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Join a free signal, free Telegram, y'all. Y'all stealing your screens how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. When you charge, drop in the chat. We caught a nice move on GN yesterday. Nice 1-to-3 risk short ratio setup. I forgot how many pips. How many pips was it? 119 pips on that, so that was a pretty nice move right there. We're going to be looking for continued buys as well, but it did a little retracement, so we're just waiting for price to come back up to one of our levels. So we're just going to let price do his thing for right now. But if it can break back above and hold 21.20 as support, we can look for buys going to 21.90. That's what we're going to be looking at right here. Just dropped a new video for y'all yesterday. Make sure to check that out after the live if y'all haven't already. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Y'all see that scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram's playmaker_way. TikTok's _playmaker_way under. Speaking of which, it's funny because we was just talking about how TikTok and CapCut was banned. Is now available in the App Store again. That happened last night, y'all. So TikTok and CapCut is back available in the App Store for my fellow Americans. So there's that. So those people that was buying phones on eBay for like $15,000, shout out to y'all for making a quick bag. But I know those folks are mad that bought those. That's pretty funny though. But yes, we're back in business, y'all. We're back in business. Let's see what we got in the chat. Yeah, same with NAS. NAS ended up flying like we was talking about yesterday. Finally broke and held that level of support. Once my there it goes. Because again, we was talking about how we needed to hold this level of support. I kept on failing to do so. I did that yesterday successfully. Made a nice, beautiful push to the upside. So those I was watching NAS yesterday, I sure made a nice quick bag off of that. So if we can break and hold 22,100 as support, we can see possibly new higher highs get made with NAS as well. So it's gonna be interesting to see what takes place today in New York session, especially because we also got some news popping off. We're gonna be going live with the members and students 8:30. So members, make sure to be on the lookout for that link. And I'm gonna be uploading to not tomorrow, yesterday's live stream. In the channel as well, so make sure to be on the lookout for that. But yeah, gold's pushing right now. Gold's pushing right now. I'd recommend waiting for retracement back down to 29.28. We can continue to hold that as support. We can see price pushing back up to the highs at 29.42, 29.44. But yeah, I think it's been pushing. Pushing like crazy. Stocks have been going insane as well. Gonna be dropping an updated stock video for y'all today. If y'all got into Palantir like I've been telling y'all to, y'all should be up right now. Y'all got into the video, y'all should be up right now. If y'all got into Coinbase stock, y'all should be up right now. Freaking Robinhood stock just went crazy as well. Another stock, I forgot. A stock just gapped. I forgot which stock. I think it was the Robinhood stock. I can't remember. But yeah, stocks going crazy as well as crypto. Crypto is still slightly on sale. If you bought what it was, did those big dips and retracements, y'all should be up on crypto as well. So yeah, there's a lot of money being made all over the place, y'all. A lot of money being made all over the place. Let's see what else we got up in here. When did you take GN? This was the GN was a signal called an advanced play signal. Link in the description, by the way. But it was a signal called an advanced play signal. So let me show you that. And when we went live yesterday, we was in that position. So we didn't necessarily take it during the live stream. We took it during Wednesday's live stream. But we were still in the position in the London session live when we went live yesterday. So let me show you. All right. This is an old trade, by the way. Nobody take this setup. This is an old trade. All right. I don't want nobody DM me after the live stream. All right, cool. So again, you see this was February 12th. See the time we entered this during the live stream on February 12th. Entry SLTPs. And then you can see here, TP6 got hit right at the beginning of New York session. We go right here. We can see this was in the beginning of New York session. We can see this when markets closed. Oh, yeah, closed right here, reopened, right? So when the markets reopened and it retraced, I re-entered, right? So the final TPs got hit right when the 2 a.m. news popped off. All right, we had 2 a.m. GBP news. All right. And we were still holding this position when London session started, right? So that's why that was posted as a recap. And then we also talked about NAS. NAS went as projected after the news event during New York session. Gold did as well. All right. GJ, well, GJ did that move during Tokyo session, so it doesn't really count. We went live with the members yesterday during the what you call it, the 8:30 USD news. And then GU, we see chilled here. But then when 10 o'clock came, it did the move we was talking about as well. Yeah, GJ is just chilling right here. We need this level to be held. Again, we do have the strong key price level right here, which is why we're kind of struggling to break. Right, when we just look right here, like we talked about before earlier this week. Right, you look to the left, it's going to explain what's happening in the present, and what could potentially happen in the future. So we see right here. Let me thin out these other levels so I can pay attention to the one we're talking about. All right, this one right here. And I'll change the color. All right. So we see here, this red line right here, is a strong key price level, just like this level is as well. All right. When it broke this level as resistance, that's when we caught those sales, caught that nice lower low. We had the reversal, the same level when price broke back down below, held and respected as resistance to give us that other lower low that we just caught before the reversal. And again, right back at this level, price is still respecting and holding it as resistance, right? So we're going to need to break, not only just hold 192.05 as support, but we're going to need to break and hold 192.80 as support in order for the uptrend to even come back into play, right? So that's why price has kind of been struggling right here, because this is a strong key price level. So we're going to see if today we're going to be able to break that level, or if we're going to see another rejection and the downtrend try to come back into play. Let me change this back before I throw myself off. Right, and we can see that happen yesterday, right? It first rejected that level, came back up, broke that level, but failed to hold that support. Tried again, failed to hold that support again, because remember during the London session live, we was looking for a buy here, failed to hold that support, rejected, and then the rest of the day and last night just been bobbing and dancing at this price level right here. Got a new 15 about to pop up in a little bit. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. What else we got up in here? Oh, you figured it out? Okay, cool. New 15 just popped up. What's going on, Mario? I see you up in here. Just dropped a new video for y'all yesterday. New trade breakdown for y'all. Make sure to check that out if you have not already. Also got a new video dropping for y'all today as well during New York session. Make sure to be on the lookout for that. I like how GJ's looking. Let's see how it plays out. Haven't jumped in it yet. That might change in a second. Let's see how it reacts. Let's see how it reacts right here. Yeah, we might jump to this in a second. I do like this setup. Again, for the uptrend to come back into play, it is going to need to hold 192.75 as support. But GU's already took off. We need a retracement on GU. NAS, we're not going to mess with unless it retraces. Because if it breaks this level, it's going to be at all-time highs. And then gold's got to retrace if we're going to enter that. So the only one we can really mess with right now for a possible setup is GJ. So we're going to see how this plays out right here. We got a new 5-minute about to pop up in about 2 minutes. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When we get any charts, drop them in the chat. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join a free signal, free Telegram. We've been absolutely destroying the year so far. We're 3-0 so far this week. We caught a nice 119 pip move on GN. On Tuesday, we caught a nice. Oh, no, that was not Tuesday. This was Tuesday. No, this was Monday. We didn't take a trade Tuesday. And then Monday, we took a GJ sell. So we took a GJ sell Monday. We didn't take a trade on Tuesday. GN, we took a trade. TP6 got hit. Then it retraced, re-entered. Then all of TPs got hit and surpassed. Tokyo session right before London session popped off. And that's how we're doing so far this week. Now, as far as last week we didn't take a lot of trades as well, but we still ended at 3-0, which is still the ultimate goal, winning every trade, and of course ending that week in profit. So we went 3-0 last week. And as far as how we ended last month, just like y'all see on y'all screens, but if you go into the free signal free telegraph first link in the description and scroll to February 3rd, you can see how we ended last month. We went 17-3, giving us an 85% win rate at the top. Let me put this back here. Make sure it doesn't take off on us. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the month. All wins and losses are posted here and documented. You can also see how we ended quarter 4 last year, 41-4, giving us a 91% win rate. What we do to recap the week at the end of every week, recap the month at the end of every month, and then of course recap the quarter at the end of every quarter. And you go to where it says subscribers, and you scroll down to photos, over 1,000 photos and 3 years worth of receipts. You can see screenshots of positions, screenshots of signals, as well as student results and testimonials. So make sure to click that first link in the description and explore, check all this stuff out, y'all. But yeah, we're about to see if we can hold this level right here. I like how it's looking so far, though. It's doing a nice push right now. Ian's still taking a nap, though. Again, y'all, we do have news at 8:30 today, so make sure to keep that time in mind. Gonna be going live with the members and students during it. So members, make sure to be on the lookout for that link when I send that to y'all. Again, we do got a few charts moving right now, but they're not at ideal entries. The only one that's at kind of ideal entry is GJ right now. The GU already took off, so we're waiting for either price to make the next level or retrace. NAS we're not going to mess with unless it retraces, so I'm about to actually do this alert up here. And then GN, same thing. GN's kind of napping right now. We're about to see what this next 15 looks like, y'all. Again, you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. We're looking at these charts, drop them in the chat. I'm turning this volume up. I don't really hear the music. Let me know if the music is good for y'all. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. Let me know if the music is good, bro. If it's too loud or if it's good. I also sound muffled. Fix myself. Yeah, we sound a lot better now. I stay doing that, and I always say I'm gonna fix my setup because I have two monitors. So like whenever I look at my left monitor, my mic's on my right monitor. So like whenever I look to my left monitor, you can tell I'm talking, looking away from my mic because I be sounding like muffled and stuff. So right now I sound good. So I gotta just start looking this way so we can sound like clean. But yeah, we're gonna see what this next 15 looks like, y'all. That thing's pushing. Yeah, still got it. I set my lure up there too. It looks like my trying to break that level. Let's get rid of this one. We don't need that. This would have been a nice move to catch too. It is what it is. Can't catch them all. Oops. Yeah, so I want to see how it reacts here, but if it breaks this level, we're going to look for a buy here. All right, so let's go ahead and go into a bigger time frame, right? So, again, remember yesterday we was talking about how we needed this level to be broken for the uptrend to come into play. We see price blew through that level. So today, again, just like this level I just set this alert at, we're going to see one of two things take place. We're either going to see price retest or retrace and retest this level. So let's do it like this. We're either going to see price retest this level and try to break this level again, or retest this level, see if we can hold that support, then try to break this level, right? But we're going to need to break this level next and hold it at support, right? Because again, we see here that this is another very strong key price level. If I can click it, it's a very strong key price level. All right, each time price comes to this level, you see how price reacts. Struggles to break it. Right. Whoops. Now I did retest, so we might try to just retest this level. Let's see how it reacts, but I'm not going to pull the trigger because it's too far from one of our levels to take a trade on. So we simply just gotta let it do its thing. Simply just gotta let it do its thing. It's good? Okay, perfect. Yeah, like this is looking right here. They're really retested on the 15 or the 5. That's why I'm waiting on the retest. Might just blow through it though, the way it's looking. Which I got planned for the weekend. Almost forgot it's about to be the weekend. Shoot, I know what I'm gonna do. One of the first things on my list is sleep. What y'all talking about? Sleep. I should get a full, what they say we need type of sleep. I don't know if I'm gonna do 8 hours though, but definitely at least 6 hours of sleep. Definitely. It rained a little bit earlier today. I'm waiting on this recess right here. It's kind of just chilling right now. Let's see what this new hour column looks like. Because I don't know if y'all be paying attention, but a lot of times when this 4 o'clock hour comes in, that's usually when volume starts to kick in. Grab this. Those just joined the stream, we have not entered this yet. This is just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join a free signal through Telegram. Y'all see on your screens how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. If you're looking at your charts, drop in the chat. But you already know the drill. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. Now, shout out to the members and students. A few of y'all sent me some screenshots yesterday. Some of the profits y'all got are made this week. Shout out to y'all. Love to see it. Same here, sleep as well. Spend some time with family at church. Yeah, I feel that. Feel that. Always got to spend time with the loved ones. Always got to spend time with the loved ones. And that weekend sleep be feeling. I'm telling you, whenever y'all's off days are, because I know some people work on the weekends and stuff like that. So whatever y'all's off days are, I'm telling you, that night going into that off day, that sleep be hitting different, especially if you don't got to get up early. That sleep be hitting different. You just wake up and like, man, that's what that feels like. You know what I'm saying? Where in the USA am I from? I've lived all over the place. My family's from the South, Georgia. I lived all over the place. I'm on the West Coast right now. We got a new 15 an hour about to pop up. Let's see if this is going to retest for us. See if we can get this retest. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, y'all. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram, playmaker_away. TikTok _ playmaker white _ Alright. Got a new post posting for I got a new post getting posted for y'all later on today. Posted some new videos yesterday for y'all as well. Also posted a new video on YouTube for y'all yesterday. I got a new video set up for y'all to post to be uploaded during New York session today as well. So make sure to be on the lookout for that. Make sure to check out the other posts as well. All playlists are up to date. And let me know if y'all messing with y'all fucking with all the new the videos. I told y'all beginning of the year was going to switch it up a little bit, add some more value. You know if y'all messing with it. I like I was just looking here. Let's see if we can break this level. See if we can break this level. User trace. Man, I want to give a shout out to everybody that's been vibing with me today, y'all. Vibing with me all week. Shout out to everybody in the live, y'all. Shout out to everybody that's been in the live since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been in the live since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Go to free signal for your Telegram, y'all. Again, we've been going absolutely crazy. Let's look out of this. If you scroll to where we at? January 6th, you can see how we ended last year, 2024. With 181 wins, 23 losses, give us an 89% win rate. Catching a total of 326,550 pips, which is insane. We went 17-3 last month. We're 3-0 so far this week, y'all. And again, check out the Sunday chart analysis. Now, that's not this week's Sunday chart analysis, right? Yeah, this is this week's Sunday chart analysis. Check out the Sunday chart analysis, y'all. See how price was looking and what the charts were looking like at the beginning of the week. Listen to my analysis, listen to the price points I was talking about, and then see what price is looking like right now. Or you can wait till after today's finished up and see how price played out the entire week. Just to check out and see, what went as projected, what didn't go as projected. All right, we want to see if GJ can break this next level. All that good stuff. And if y'all interested in how to identify these levels, interested in the signals, y'all, or interested in learning directly from me, all that stuff is linked in the description, y'all. All right. You watch any of my YouTube videos, the last like 2.5 minutes, I go over all the details, all that stuff. But of course, you guys got any questions or questions unrelated to the stuff, y'all can DM me on Instagram or Telegram. I respond to all messages. And yeah, y'all enjoy y'all's weekend. And yeah, we're going to see how this DJ setup plays out. And again, members, make sure to be on the lookout. See that live for the news today. Again, we got news at 8:30 today for the USD. So make sure to keep that time in mind.